Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Vivo Y16. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then do exactly the same on Vivo smartphone. Over here, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia and Receive on Vivo Y16. Finally, you can tap on all of your files that you wish to send and hit Send next to selected. You can also tap on all of those dots from all of those categories. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Vivo, pick one of those options and click on Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, or just input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!